Hello universe, what's up? It's Brandy619. So I got about 30 minutes to make this dinner. I already did some prepping. I had my girls earlier go ahead and brown the ground turkey and dice the onion and bell pepper. Okay, this is onion. I know the light is probably washing it out. That's onion and bell pepper. This is green onion for the top of your chili once it's done. So I'm going to set that to the side. Right here I have some Kroger diced chili ready tomatoes. Okay. And then I have some diced ones with jalapeno because I do like a little bit of heat. Also, the chili I'm going to be using today is Carroll. Stop! Seriously? Carroll Shelby's chili mix. Hot or mild. Okay. I bought 2 because I have 4 pounds of ground turkey meat. So I got 2. Each one of these will yield you enough chili for 2 pounds of ground beef, turkey, ground chicken, ground lamb, whatever it is you want. I'm also going to be using some beef stock. Okay, beef broth. Of course, my David's Culture salt. Some crushed red pepper. So since this is a kit, it comes with everything you already need inside of it. So I have a large pot. I don't even know what size pot this is, but this is the one I'm going to be using. First thing I'm going to do is come over. I'm going to saute these onions and bell peppers. Put a little bit of olive oil in my pan. And get cracking. Also, I have here a tricolor bean. I did not buy it tricolored already because you can't buy it like that in the store. However, I have a dark red kidney bean. I have some pinto beans and some black beans. I do like the different variation of colors in my chili. What I do is I put it in a, what is this, a cauldron, and put it over a bowl. And I pour my beans into it so all that stuff can drain, and then I rinse it with water and let it continue to drain inside of this bowl. Now this packet used to come with salt, and now it doesn't come with salt anymore. So it only comes with masa now. That's a thickening agent. It comes with cayenne pepper, and it comes with the chili mix. So depending on how thick or loose you would like, stop. Depending on how thick or loose you want your chili, is going to determine how much of this masa you put in there. I don't use this masa. I throw it away. Or I'll save it and use it for something else.